Over the years, we've seen hundreds of farms of all types, from dryland wheat in eastern Washington to irrigated potatoes in the Columbia Basin, orchards up north, and berries out west. Our farmers do an amazing job at anything they grow.
What makes a Washington farmer great is their adaptability.
Tim Cobb owns Farmland Company. They use a somewhat unusual tool to manage farmland for absentee tenants around the Northwest.
We take care of collecting the rent, making sure the insurance is there, doing the maintenance, working with the farm tenant.
How does the plane come into
play? So we affectionately call it the Farmland Fox. Some of these farms are in areas that they're kind of hard to get to. And so I was looking for an aircraft that we could actually use and land in the field and not need an airport.
Yeah.
And this is the aircraft for that. The most graceful way to get in, I'm just going to show you
Graceful
once.
is good.
You don't want to hit your head.
Okay.
And then you just kind of scoot in.
Okay. Where's my head going?
Yep.
Here.
Yep.
And then push.
There you go. You did it.
I did it. Yeah, we don't
You're in
want me
great shape.
falling out.
Don't fall out. Okay, and then here's your headset.
Okay. I feel so official.
We're rolling onto the runway here. We're going to be departing to the south, Spangville area traffic.
And I'm just gonna hold on. There's nothing to hold on to.
You got this up here if you need to. I mean, you grab onto my arm, whatever you need.
There we go. Oh, this is so pretty.
Different viewpoint though, right?
Oh, it's gorgeous.
It really is. So what's going on? Obviously, the dark green below us is a winter wheat. The light green below us is a spring planted wheat, typically. The stuff that you can see there, it doesn't even look like there's anything planted there. That's likely a garbanzo bean because they're really small.
Okay.
Or maybe a canola. Wheat is king. Right behind that is canola and lentils and other pulse crops. The soils are just perfect for holding water long enough to be there for the plant. It's just an incredible area to farm. So this aircraft, a kitfox, is definitely in the light sport, what we would call bush plane category. It's capable of taking off fast. It's capable of landing slow. I mean, we're going right now 85 miles an hour, right? And that allows us the ability to see things slowly, to take things slowly, to be safe. This is one way to manage farms.
Yeah, it's so cool. Technology is amazing.
Technology is amazing.
Where are we at right now?
Right now, we're almost Malden is what it's called. We actually manage a farm right over here.
Oh, okay. So you get to meet lots of great farmers.
Yes, yeah. Some of the best parts of my job is just working with the farmers of Washington. They're the best. They're the best. I know we may be biased in this little cockpit, but you know what? We're flying over Washington, and that's where we're from, and so we can be biased.
You love your job, don't you?
I really, really do. You know, as far as creature comforts, you know, the beverage service is terrible. Okay, there's no lavatory.
No.
Right?
Yeah.
Here's our airport over here, back to Spangville.
That's where we started.
That's where we started, and so what I'm going to do is I'm going to slow the aircraft down.
It's been great.
Thanks for being here today.
Thanks for piloting.
Yes, absolutely. Oh, we're going to bounce. Hang on. All good. Hey, welcome back to Earth.
Yeah.
We made it!
Yes! We certainly made it.
That was awesome.
Oh, that was so good. I'm glad you did.